Here I have Tecno Camon 18 Premier, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the hotspot and tethering, and here you can enable personal hotspot. So here you can change its name, here you can change its password, here you can change its security protocol. You can also display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can set up one-time data limit. You can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected. You can also use your hotspot for USB tethering or Bluetooth tethering. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.